Hello student, today our topic is a practical problem of business and profession from income tax. So let's start our topic income from business and profession. Here is a question. Mr. Nehru is the owner of a business. Following is his profit and loss account for the year ended on 31st March 2020. Here is a establishment chart. Here is a profit and loss account, and profit is 3,01,022 rupees of business, and the expenses of business is establishment's charge 97,050 rupees is a business expenses. Rent and tax is a business expenses. Sunday expenses is also business expenses, but household expenses is not a big business expenses. So it's a disallowed expenses. Provision for bad and debts, it's a disallowed expenses, and loss on sale of motor car is also disallowed loss. Insurance premium is a business expenses, but include life insurance is not a allowed expenses. Interest on bank loan is a business expenses. Provision for depreciation is not a allowed expenses. And in the credit side of income, gross profit related from business, interest on government security, it's a income from other heads. Rent from house property, it's a income from house property. So, and next is other information. Other information, following additional information is given. Bad debts written off during the year 550. 550 is a actual loss on debtor and related to business. And depreciation as per IT rules 11,700 is also related to business. Mr. Nehru is running his business in rental property, half of which is used by him for his own residence. Rent of rupees 2,400 is respect of this house is included in rate and tax. So 50% of rent, rates and tax is a disallowed. Compute Mr. Nehru taxable income from business and profession for the assessment year 2020 and 2021. So let's student start the solution of this question. And here is the format. So let's start solution. Computation of business income of Mr. Nehru for the assessment year 2020-21. First, we take the profit from PL account. Balance as per profit and loss account. Profit is 3,01,022 and add. Firstly, expenses expressly disallowed but debited to profit and loss account. First, rent, 1.5 of property being used for his residential. Total expenses was 2,400. So 50% of 2,400 is 1200 is disallowed and 1200 is disallowed. And household expenses 21,880 is also disallowed. So add in profit. Provision for bad debts is disallowed expenses. So we'll be back in profit. Loss on sale of car is also disallowed. Life insurance premium is also disallowed. Provision for depreciation is also disallowed. So these are all expenses will be added in profit, and after that total profit is 3,55,292 rupees. And now less expenses allowed but not debited to profit and loss account. Bad debts 550 rupees is allowed but not debited to PL account, and depreciation is also allowed but not debited to PL account. So these expenses will deduct from the profit. 550 of bad debts and depreciation 11,700. So now is total net profit is 3,43,042 rupees. And after that income not taxable under this head but credit to PL account. These income was credit to PL account, but these income are not related business, as interest on government security. Interest on government security is income from other sources, so will deduct from the profit. And rent from property. Rent from property is the income from house property, or it is not a part income from business. So rent from property will also deduct from profit. And now total income 15,352 rupees of interest and 15,400 from rent. Both will deduct from profit, and profit was 3,43,042 rupees minus 30,752 rupees. So now revised profit is 3,12,290 rupees is a income from business and profession. So student is a solved problem from business and profession. And now see next question. Now is the next question is so स्टूडेंट्स आपने देखा कि यहाँ हमने अभी एक क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को कराया जो कि इनकम फ्रॉम बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशन से लिया गया था, और उसमें हमने देखा, और इससे पहले हमने जब इसका फॉर्मेट आपको बताया था तो ये बताया था कि सबसे पहले हम नेट प्रॉफिट उठा लेते हैं प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट से, और उसके बाद उसमें सबसे पहले वे सभी खर्चे वापस जोड़ देते हैं जो बिज़नेस के नहीं होते हैं लेकिन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में दिए गए होते हैं। उसके बाद वे खर्चे घटा देते हैं जो बिजनेस के हैं परंतु अभी तक नहीं घटाए। उसके बाद वो इनकम घटा देते हैं जो कि बिजनेस की नहीं है लेकिन पीएल अकाउंट के क्रेडिट पक्ष में दी गई है, और उसके बाद वो इनकम ऐड कर देते हैं जो इनकम बिजनेस की है परंतु अभी तक उसे ऐड नहीं की गई। तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ स्टूडेंट, ये टॉपिक हमारा 4 मेन पॉइंट में है। 2 पॉइंट इसमें ऐड होने हैं और 2 ही इसमें लेस होने हैं। लेस होने वाले, ऐड होने वाले डिसअलाउड एक्सपेंसेस हैं, और उसके साथ साथ सबसे पहले तो हम करेंगे डिसअलाउड एक्सपेंसेस। उसके बाद हम ऐसे खर्चे जो बिजनेस के हैं नहीं घटे घटाएंगे। उसके बाद ऐसी इनकम जो बिजनेस की है परंतु अभी तक नहीं ली तो ऐड कर देंगे, और उसके बाद ऐसी इनकम जो बिजनेस की नहीं है परंतु नहीं घटाई, जो ऐसी इनकम जो बिजनेस की नहीं है परंतु पीएल में ले रखी है उसे घटा देंगे। तो ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन हमने किया और आपने उस क्वेश्चन को देखा। तो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशन। इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर बुक। And so let's start. Here is the here is the profit and loss of account of a businessman, and here is the net profit is 61,000, and other information is here is a 2 office salaries. Office salary is related from business, so it's a expenses of business. Proprietor salary is not a exempt expenses of business, so it's a disallowed expense. Interest on capital is not a business expenses according to Income Tax Act. General expenses is a business expenses, bad debts is a business expenses, advertisement expenses is a business, and fire insurance premium is a business expenses. Depreciation is also business expenses, and sales tax is also business expenses. Income tax on last assessment. Income tax is not a expenses of business. And advance income tax is also is not a part of your business expenses. Payment to Punjab University for the research in social science. Payment to university for the purpose of research is a allowed expense. Legal charge for defending a suit for breach of a trading contract is a business expense. Motor car expenses is a business expenses if motor car are used in business. And now see, in credit side, gross profit is a business profit. Profit on sale of assets. Profit on sale of assets is other head income. Bad debts recovered, disallowed by ITO for want of evidence in previous year. So, bad debts recovery now is not a part of business income. Interest on government security, its income related from other sources. Dividend from agriculture is the income from other sources. Interest on post office is the income of other sources. And now see the other information. General expenses include 1,000 payment to an old employee for termination of his service, removed of which was beneficial for the business. So 1,000 is also related from business. 2,000 payment being made to a poor buyer of the university. 200 rupees expenses not related from business. Depreciation is excess by 1,800 above the admissible amount. So 1,800 depreciation is disallowed. Advertisement expenditure including 1,500 expenses on calendar and diaries given to customer. Each diary cost is 7 and calendar rupees 5. These all expenses of advertise expenses. So these expenses is allowed expenses. Car expenses include 2,500 is a connection with the private use of assets. So 2,500 is disallowed expenses. Amount given to Punjab University in for research in social science conduct by the university, the payment of being made 15 to 2020. So these expenses are allowed expenses. So student, let's start the solution. Solution: computation of business income of a trader for the assessment year 2020 or 2021. First, computation from business and profession balance as per profit and loss account. 61,000 profit take from profit and loss account. And first is item disallowed. First is item disallowed but debited to PL account. फर्स्ट जैसे कि पहले कहा है, प्रोप्राइटर सैलरी इज डिसअलाउड, सो इन्हें वापस जोड़ देंगे. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल is also disallowed 2,000. Payment to poor child is disallowed. Depreciation, excess depreciation 1,800 is disallowed. Income tax is disallowed. Advance income tax is also disallowed. And car expenses 2,500 rupees related to personal use, so 2,500 is disallowed. तो ये सारे एक्सपेंसेस जो कि डिसअलाउड थे और जो कि प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में पहले से लिखे हुए थे, डेबिट किए गए थे, इन्हें वापस प्रॉफिट में जोड़ देंगे जिससे कि हमारा प्रॉफिट बढ़ जाएगा. एंड नाउ लेस इनकम डिसअलाउड बट क्रेडिट टू पीएल अकाउंट. बैड डेब्ट्स रिकवरी. बैड डेब्ट्स रिकवर यदि पहले के वर्षों में जब ये बैड डेब्ट्स को हमने अलाउ कराने की डिमांड करी थी, यदि उनको पिछले वर्षों में इनकम टैक्स अधिकारी ने डिसअलाउड कर दिया था, तो अब अगर इनकी रिकवरी होती है तो ये हमारे प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस ये हमारे बिजनेस की इनकम नहीं मानी जाएगी. तो यहाँ भी यही कंडीशन है, इसीलिए इन्हें वापस घटा दिया गया. अब आगे आइटम नॉट टैक्सेबल अंडर दिस हेड बट क्रेडिट टू पीएल अकाउंट. अब हम वे इनकम देख रहे हैं जो कि प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट के क्रेडिट में लिखी हुई हैं, लेकिन वो हमारे बिजनेस की इनकम नहीं है। इनकम नॉट टैक्सेबल अंडर दिस हेड बट क्रेडिट टू पीएल अकाउंट। सो फर्स्ट, प्रॉफिट ऑन सेल ऑफ एसेट्स is not a business income. Interest on government security, dividend from company, interest on post office cash certificate, these all income not related from business and profession. These income are part from income from other sources. तो ये अन्य स्रोतों की आय है, इन्हें वापस हम बिजनेस की इनकम से घटा दें, क्योंकि ये जोड़ी गई थी। तो ये वापस घटाने के बाद आप देख रहे हैं हमारे पास आ गई इनकम फ्रॉम बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशन। तो हमारा आंसर आपके सामने आ गया, इनकम फ्रॉम बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशन। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने किए हैं इनकम फ्रॉम बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशन से रिलेटेड 2 न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन। इससे पहले की वीडियो में मैंने आपको अलाउड और डिसअलाउड एक्सपेंसेस के बारे में बताया था, और उससे पहले वाली वीडियो में मैंने इसकी थ्योरी कराई थी। तो इस वीडियो में मैंने आपके साथ न्यूमेरिकल किए हैं। अब आपसे उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप इन न्यूमेरिकल को करते रहेंगे, जो प्रॉब्लम आएगी मुझसे डिस्कस करते रहेंगे। और उसके साथ साथ हर बार की वीडियो की तरह इस बार भी मैं अपने सभी स्टूडेंट से अपील करूंगा कि वे सभी स्टूडेंट घर पर रह के तैयारी करें, घर से बाहर ना निकलें। कोई अत्यधिक आवश्यक काम हो तो तभी घर से बाहर जाएं, अन्यथा घर पर रह के कार्य करें। ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।